Hello, Jesse here, Supernova Design Company, Portland, Oregon, coming to you live. This is our first startup vlog post project accountability. We're going to post the last video today, and we are moving to a new plan. Basically the same thing, only doing it on a weekly basis, taking videos daily. So that's it. I think this will be. Hello. Quick checking in. So here we are trying to we have the little slides, and when those get to the end, you need room in your outfeed table for the rails to slide in. So this is it. You gotta stop here. Nice long level there, nice straight edge, and just clamp it to the fence. So it's going good. We also got our shelf done and being used for storage down there, so life is good. That's it, coming together as soon as that's the afternoon check-in. We got this outfeed table all done. We got our dust collection all done. Let's take a look. All right, so let's start with the guy we were just working on. These guys, so it needs to slide all the way back so you got room. Not that you need to slide this that far, but you could. But we do have our old hose still up there. It is just awfully handy to have a vacuum around. So we got this guy hooked up. It's kind of hard to see, but we got our rad little air filters and our dust collection hooked up there. Back up. We have our fence, a nice little spot to hold it here. It's not resting on the ground where it'll fall. But I think that is it. We're good to go. That's it. We just got cleanup and return some parts. So yeah, feels good. I don't know if that captures 1 or 2 tasks completed, but any day you get to put an actual completion date on something, it is a good day. Tuesday evening check-in. What do we get done today? All the dust collection is done. Outfeed table is done. New microphone setup, done. Divorce docs uploaded, done. 208 files. Get it out. Oh, the pain. Kids school registration, done. Dinner, not done. Almost 10 o'clock, done. Good morning. It's Wednesday. Quick check-in. What are we working on today? Workshop upgrades. It's getting things cleaned and organized. Get our contracting license renewed. We have just 2 tasks. Got the insurance thing. I mean, it is early. Got the proof of insurance updated. Just need to send it over to the Oregon CCB, and hopefully the format's right. They kick it back sometimes because the insurance companies change their format sometimes, and the CCB here is picky about what it looks like and what it says where. So there's that. So once the workshop and the CCB license is done, which will probably take most of today because there's a continuing ed portion of that, next steps would be on the kitchen rack, start getting the run rate stuff going on those so we get some accurate numbers to see how long it actually takes me to make one that's not a prototype. That is it. I don't think I got anything else specifically today. I have a lunch with Dan, so it's kind of nice to go see another human. I have some close friends that I talk to, but since I've stepped away from the jiu-jitsu and the martial arts for a while, talking with other grown-ups, I don't know, starting a business is pretty isolating at the beginning. So it's nice to get out and talk to humans. All right, later. All right, Jesse here. I don't even know what day it is. Let's do a quick check-in. We're here in the shop. We've got it almost prod ready. Here's our ladder. That goes up into the loft. We put away stuff we don't need. All the old dust collection stuff. Let's flip this sucker around. All right, workbench is getting cleaned up. We still got the disc sanders, all the angle grinder parts and sanders to get figured out. Chances are we will put that guy over there and throw it all on that. It used to be over there where those new chargers are at. Other quick little update we had these sort of slick little leftover bike tire battery organizers, and I wanted it next to here, so we just had some empty storage on this guy for our batteries. It works great, and they're close together. And that's about it. We got our pack outs for our screws, washers, and kitchen rack parts there. We still got we have our daughter's experiment of a mouse in bleach so we can get the little bones out there. That's fun. We got some fire starting stuff I need to shred or burn there. Nobody please break into my house and steal that. That's it. We're going to move the anvil over, get this cleaned up. Just clean up these little boards here and there. And that's about it. Looks like tomorrow or the next day we will be working on the floor model, which is exciting, and our rate calculations. How long does it actually take to make one of these things? And that's it. Later. All right. Supernova checking in. End of the day close out. Today's Wednesday. What do we get done? Shop's a bit more organized. And we got some of the stuff we didn't use for the dust collection system returned. We got, we store stuff up in the loft. We got a bunch of that stuff put back up there. It's almost looking like it's ready. Probably 1 or 2 more days. It'll be ready for making the next kitchen rack. What else? Working on the contractor's license right now. Anyway, that's it. And keep it short. Later. See you tomorrow. Yo, Jesse here. Supernova Design Company, trying something new. Gonna start our morning startup vlog on the walk. Save a little time when we get home. Today's all about kitchen racks. Last night we were up pretty late doing continuing education. This morning we paid our $400, submitted a renewal fee. I thought it was due the 28th. It was actually due yesterday, so status will be inactive for a little while, but insurance and bond has always been in place. Just the bureaucracy cadence sometimes of mine, well, twice now, has got off, but gotta get back on our A game for that. So that's it. We're gonna get home, update the lights in the workshop, put all the angle grinder stuff and the sanders back in their home, and yeah, sweep, and start working on kitchen rack stuff. That's it. All right, talk to you later. Yo, Thursday afternoon check-in. We are finishing up in our shop. The water is done and I'm hungry. What do we get done? We got the lights done. That is pretty exciting part of this. Let's go take a look. I don't know if you can see outside in Portland today though. Oh, that's totally off topic, but still smoky here. It was much better than before, but man, it just still looks hazy. Sky looks, we got some blue in the sky though. Anyway, let's check out this light situation. So here we are. The phone does a pretty good job of adjusting, but 3, 2, 1. Ba-da! So we got lights all the way down there towards the bandsaw, and we rearranged everything. Where we used to have just some tool storage, now we got our big belt sander behind us, and we got the jointer back there with a lovely new dust cover. And everything, it's kind of a weird way to be showing you all the crap that's behind me. But now a big upgrade because we have just a nice row of tools with plenty of room to work and plenty of room to access any hand tools that are behind it. I think I might, lights are done. Shit, I just said a whole bunch of stuff. I didn't record it. Such is life. All right, let's close out Thursday. What did we get done? We spent most of the day in the workshop. We got all the lights done. We got the angle grinders done. We got the sanders stuff put away. We made a little doohickey, quickie ricky thing to put all the accessories, all the different fittings or heads for the angle grinder and all the little screwy bobs that go on those, and it was looking really good. Did a little reorg. I should have made a video of it, but I didn't. We will tomorrow. That's it. 9:02. We're going to finish our personal accountability video and then mark that sucker as done. Good morning. It is Friday. We are on our last intro to the new weekly format. So today, we get the workshop clean and organized. We have everything. Actually, it is organized. We just got to get a couple things put away and just cleaned up. Get the yeah, we got, never mind, kitchen rack readiness, and that's it. So yeah, we're gonna keep it quick today. We get everything done right today. Sunday or Monday, we are set up to start building the floor model. Yahoo! And next week get all the build tasks done. So maybe work week 34, August 16th, before Mom's birthday is the end of the month. Certainly before Mom's birthday, we'll be out there getting work. Yeah, let's go. Goodbye work week 32. It's Friday night, 10:53 and 46 seconds. What did we get done today? We got the shop. We got some shelves built in the shop. And then we fixed our dear Annabelle, who's sitting here looking at me. We replaced the keyboard on her laptop, which is not an easy thing to do. Anyway, that's it. Yeah, see you next week. Bye. 32. Want to do one quick final video to summarize the actual key results. Part of this workshop is almost ready. Solid things that are done. The dust collection is done. The outfeed is done. There's a place to store the chemicals that are within good reach. Lots of minor reorgs that help workflow a lot. The last thing to do is just some housekeeping and sweeping and probably a blowout. Last major thing was we got all the 208 lawyer docs up for the wife's lawyer. Got in a meeting next week. So that is a huge not accomplishment, but a huge thing off the chest. Lessons from this whole week, I think, is really basic stuff. Keep your head up. Don't quit. Be you. Work smart. Work hard. Be flexible. We didn't get the walking in. We did because of all the fires and stuff, but we got a little bit. Next week, we're going to see some real progress on the floor model and getting run rate data and the price validation and updating the market research. I also want to get some market research basics automated, but that's another thing and another potential rat hole I got to be careful I don't go into. That's it. 2 minutes, 36 seconds. Now we got to edit and post this video. Have a good one. See you work week 33.